This is the trail, which is really overgrown, but it's still here, that walks across the top of the cliff. The water's just over there and down about 30 feet. And this trail is one we use to go from Sandy Point to make a loop walk around the end of Sandy Point down at Plum Island. And there's a tropical storm offshore and the tide is high and the waves are big, and it's a little bit wet getting through this trail because it's overgrown, but we're going to come out here and take a look at what's going on the ocean. We're coming down off the hill here now, and you can see not much of a on this side of the point, that's for sure. That's the little secret cutoff trail that we use, and there's a lot of big waves out here today. Look at those. The wind has really picked up out here. On the spot news. And we're watching the beach erosion. You'll see how the waves spill over this rise in the sand and they run down this channel all the way down to right here in front of us where it goes out, and the same thing happens on this side. All this water gets trapped above here and it washes out all the sand in here, and it all comes down right here. See the water coming down and it all gets washed out. The waves, I would say, are a good, that one out there from top to top, good 8 feet high. Maybe it's hard to tell on camera how big they are, but they're pretty big. I come to this spot a lot, and it's never, the water never comes up to here. It's always way out there, but today it's high. The wind is blowing really hard in off. You're right on shore here. And not a soul here but me and Tom. And for some reason, it's a beautiful day. It's a windy day, and we're coming up to the beach. Tropical storm Jose, I guess, is out there somewhere, but we wanted to see how the waves were, so we're going to see.